Qualities of an effective and efficient virtual assistant. Okay, pag-usapan natin to. Reliable. Guys, make sure no na talagang magiging ano kayo, in connected kasi with that yung pagiging responsive din, gagawin nyo talaga agad yung mga pinapagawa ni client. And of course, guys, know your priorities. No? Malalaman at mararamdaman nyo talaga kung gaano ka-importante or kung minor ba yung task na to, major ba, kailangan na ba agad ni client. Okay? Good communication. Alright? So, guys, we are working virtually. Kaya naman, guys, communication is the key. Okay? You need to build good and everlasting relationship with your client. Just like me, guys, personally, no, nagkaroon kami ng perfect bond with my first ever client, and right now, she's my business partner. Yes, hindi pa kami guys nakikita in person na, pero ang tiwala, okay, ang integridad, napaka-importante. And of course guys, yung wag niyong sisirain mismo yung binigay nilang tiwala sa inyo. Alright? Can manage their time as well. Alright? Guys, kasi ang pagiging VA, kayo mismo yung parang manager mismo nung client. Kumbaga, ako yung client, ikaw si Dean's manager. Why? Kasi ang thinking natin kasi, tayo ang may kailangan sa mga client. Pero guys, most of the time, mas kailangan tayo ni client kesa sa kailangan natin sila. Alright? Self-motivated. Ayan, no? Kung tayo naman, guys, syempre lahat naman tayo, hindi naman tayo perfect. We do have struggles, hindi naman perfect yung everyday, natin, minsan pagod na tayo, pero guys ha, make sure na wag niyong isasama yung problema niyo sa bahay or kung malungkot ka, ganyan, sa inyong trabaho kasi makakaapekto kasi yun, okay? Self-motivated, make sure na you always have your year goals. Ayan. Tinuturo ko yung year goals ko. Year goals. Why? Kasi para meron kang motivation. Ayan. Bawa, pupunta kami ng pamilya ko ng Palawan. Yung mga for this year, sa December, ganon. So, nakaano na siya. Meron na kayong ine-aim, fino-foresee agad na goal para talagang mas galingan nyo pa. Alright? Sige. Disciplined. Oo. So, in terms of time, guys, dapat pag 8 p.m. or 8 a.m. Eastern Time ang pasok nyo, before 8, 15 minutes or 5 minutes before 8, dapat mag-time in na kayo. Huwag nyong isasakto, guys. Lalong-lalo na yung mga out, dapat, grabe, pag 3 a.m. or 3 p.m. Guys, kasi parang sa akin ha, personally, as a business owner, marami din ako mga nakakausap ng mga virtual assistant. Ang feeling ko pag doon nagka-clock in agad, nagka-clock out agad sila ng time na yon. Parang inaantay lang nila yung oras nila. Ganyan yung thinking ko. Kasi pag nag-enjoy ka kasi sa work, kind of kahit medyo maliit lang ng 10 minutes, 5 minutes, that's my personal thinking. All right? Resourceful. Yes. So guys, eto no, si client hindi maiiwasan talagang tanungin kayo, Nadine, can you check this software? Ano ba yung pwede maitulong nito sa atin? Ano ba yung mga advantages and disadvantages nito? Yung mga ganyan. Kaya naman guys, si resourceful person, always check, no, ang kaibigan nating si Google. Alright, nandiyan naman lagi. Kahit ako, no, personally, lagi kong chinecheck sa Google. Pag may mga ibang thoughts akong gustong i-check, ganyan. Kasi, Google is just, the main, the main go-to, no, sa mga resources. And also YouTube. 'Di ba? Okay, organized. Ayan. Dapat guys, as a virtual assistant, you need to be organized. Why? It's because chaos po. Chaos ang inyong client or your future client. Why? Kasi marami silang iniisip, guys. They are visionaries. Ano yung visionaries? Sa business, no, sa term ng business, ang mga visionaries, sila lagi yung nagka-come up ng mga ideas, alright, innovations, ganyan. Okay? Kasi personally, I am not a visionary. I am the integrator. Ano yung ibig sabihin ng integrator? Kung ano yung sinabi ni visionary, okay, sa business kasi namin simulang visionary, kung ano yung mga plans, foresee, fino-foresee plans ni visionary, ako ang gumagawa nun to make it happen. Kumbaga ako si genie in the bottle. Ganun. Okay, and the next one is professional. Dapat guys, maging professional kayo in a way, no? Kasi sa Western culture, hindi naman talaga sila very, very professional. Sinasabi ko din to sa mga class ko, mga apprenticeship. Just be yourself. Okay? Wag na kayong professional in a way, dapat medyo maayos naman kayo, hindi yung parang bagong gising kayo and everything, yung nagkakakamot ng kilikili. Wag ganun guys ha! Please! Just naman, be yourself pa din in a way. Wag naman be yourself na be open na talagang kamot-kamot kung saan-saan. Kasi, napapansin din yan ng mga clients natin. Parang, wala man lang ka hygiene tayo. Yung mga ganon. Alright, professional in a way, syempre, as a client and virtual assistant relationship. Okay? Accessible. Alright? Accessible, no? Dapat guys, maging kayo, responsive kayo. Okay? Dapat pag nag-message sa inyo si client, lalo na pag working hours, response agad. Kasi guys, ayaw natin mabahiran, no, yung tiwala na bigay sa atin ni client. Kasi first ever na hinar kayo ni client, ibig sabihin nun, nagtiwala ako sa'yo. Nagtitiwala ako sa'yo. Alright, approachable. Yes, kasi alam ko naman guys, no, we do have different personalities. Kasi I do have natural personality ko is inspiring and motivational, motivator. And then, chill lang, happy-go-lucky. Happy-go-lucky in a way na marami akong friends, ganyan. Hindi ako nag-overthink. Nagtithink ako, pero not in the way na nag-overthink tayo. So, going back with this, dapat tayo, kahit dominant tayo or serious type tayo, dapat maging approachable pa rin tayo. Guys, ha? Always give the best smile. Ayan. Okay, problem solver. Guys, dapat, no, you always, hindi naman, kasi hindi naman tayo perfect, pero just make sure na you always give your client answers. Okay, answers. Pag may mga sample questions dyan na din, ano nga ba to? Minsan, hindi ko alam guys pero yung minsan kasi yung mga ibang client, nagte-test lang din yan kung talaga naintindahan mo yung mga course na or training na binigay nila, ganyan. Okay? Just be mindful. Be mindful. Alright? Adaptable and resilient. Dapat guys, no, syempre, alam ko halos lahat kayo may mga corporate experience na yung iba student pa lang, no? Hello. Ayan. So, alam ko iba't iba yung mga circumstances natin in life, iba yung pacing experiences natin. Pero make sure guys na maging adaptable tayo. Adaptable. Ano yung meaning na adaptable? Lahat dapat nakakapag-adjust tayo sa mga culturally, ganyan, kahit virtual tayo nagwo-work. In terms of mga wordings, ganyan, magiging adaptable tayo. And of course, halimbawa, nasa admin ka, and then sabi ni client sa'yo, Eunice, is it okay to, like, for you to handle the social media accounts of my business? Ayan, dyan na, guys, darating. Okay, opportunity as its best. Yes, opportunity po yun para mas matuto ka at mag-grow yung knowledge mo sa virtual assistants, no? Ayan, so binibigyan ka din ni client, guys, ng experience and opportunities, no? Don't take it for granted na parang, pinapahirapan naman ako nito. Ayan, pero guys ha, no, may mga iba kasing VAs na money motivated. It's all about money. Na parang pag binigyan kayo ng another task, parang okay, dagdagan mo ko ng $1, taasan mo ko, pay raisean mo ko. Guys, sa akin in terms of pay raise, just do the work. Do your best that you can, no? To help your client. And then guys, sa usapan naman yan, depende sa client guys, napakadaming magiging client or magiging client nyo. Pero depende sa kung marunong sila mga reviews, ganyan and everything, quarterly reviews. Mapapansin niya ni client guys. Kami, personally guys, meron kami, ang starting pay rate kasi namin $5. And then after 2 weeks, naging $6 siya. Kasi nakikita namin, okay, nakikita namin yung worth nila as a virtual assistant. Kahit wala pa silang VA experience mismo. Alright? Basta pagbutihan nyo lang. Focus. Focus. Focus on your job and what you're doing. Alright. Proactive. Ayan. So, ang pagiging proactive, connected din po yan sa pagiging responsive, resilient, yan. Actually, lahat yan connected naman, guys. Pero ang pagiging proactive din kasi, yung initiative mo bilang assistant. Halimbawa, may nakita ka dun sa Dean's to-do list and then hindi ko pa siya nagagawa, no? Minor lang siya. And then kaya mo na siyang gawin, like research, ganto-ganto. Pwede mo na yun gawin, ha? Pwede nyo na yun gawin. Initiate, okay? Pero wag naman guys na parang, okay, update this software, ganyan. Hindi ka pa naman marunong. Guys, okay lang na wag mo munang galawin yun. Pero pag mindful na kayo at nabigyan na kayo ng proper training mismo ni client nyo, okay lang. No? Just draft lang muna guys. Draft lang. Huwag nyo munang i-finalize kasi guys, ang gusto ko, mag-pre-finalize pa kayo or pre-approval kay client nyo. Alright guys, that is the qualities of an effective and efficient virtual assistant. Hope it helps.